Okay, Christian.
Alright, now open it up. Look inside.
You're gonna be so excited. What is it?
Is it a Disney collector egg?
Open.
Open it up and take a look.
Okay.
You want to take a look and see what's inside?
Yeah.
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you love these? Look at all of them. Wow.
Cars.
And we have cards. What does she say next? She says, open it up and take a look. Right?
Yeah.
Here.
Look, there, Daddy got it. You do it. What's inside?
Fire. Penny.
And a little toy.
This she says some stickers and some candy and a toy. Open it up. Take a look.
Okay.
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
You finally got some Disney collector eggs.
Yeah. Sticker.
Here, tell us about it. Tell us about what you have there.
One sticker.
Uh-huh. What else was in there?
Open the happier box.
You need some more? Why don't you open a Lightning Queen one?
Bob.
SpongeBob? Okay.
Open Daddy and
Say, take a look. Just pull the paper off and then give it to him to open.
fire. Then some.
Here.
Penny.
Let him do it. Okay, now what? Say, open it up, take a look. Whoa! Look at all of those stickers. What'd you get?
Jenny. Jenny. Fires.
Hmm. What about this?
Let's see.
Let's see here.
Open them all up.
Cars 2.
Cars. Cars. Stickers.
You do it.
Jenny.
He's gonna be playing this all day long. He'll probably repackage them and play it again all day. What's inside? Awesome. Oh no. Say uh-oh.
One sticker.
What'd you get?
Lightning Queen.
Lightning Queen ball.
Wow. Look at all this fun stuff. That's only in 3. We have 10 more to go.
Open here, Mommy.
Open here and take a look.
Fire. Little pieces.
Mm-hmm. Here you go. Look, it's a bouncy ball. Look. Whoa. Lots of stickers. You can sticker up your whole leg again.
Then the Spongebob. Then the fire. When the fires. Then the fire. Fire.
Are you